Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. So very simple process. Hope you guys can follow through. And if you guys find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It really helps. And now that I said that, this is how you can do it. So deleting your account on Instagram is not as easy as it seems on the outside. So make sure you follow through this video, take a look at it closely, and make sure that you follow each and every step. So once you're in your account, click on the bottom right corner to go into your profile. Once you're here, click on the top right corner on the hamburger menu. Once you're here, click on settings and privacy. Over here, you can go ahead and scroll down and click on help under the more info and support section. And once you're in help, click on the help center option. Once you click on that, you can see various options and suggestions. But once you're here, click on the top right corner again on the hamburger menu, and in here you can go ahead and click on manage your account. Once you're here, you can see an option which says delete your account. Just tap on that. Once you're here, make sure you don't tap on the delete your Instagram account section. It will only redirect you to some useless page. So make sure you click on temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Once you're here on the drop down menu, you can scroll down and see an option which says delete your Instagram account. Just tap on that. Once you're here, you will again be redirected to a drop down menu style page. Once you're here, click on the Android help app button. Once you tap on that, you will get a bunch of options. Just select mobile browser help. Once you select that, you will get a page again. Just scroll down and see where it says delete your account. Just tap on delete your account. And once you're here, this is the final stage. It's pretty easy after this. All you have to do is give a reason why you want to delete this account. Let's say you have privacy concerns. And yeah, all you have to do now is re-enter your password. And click on delete. And yeah, that's it. You will be logged out of your account. And the account is now deleted. If in case you think you made a mistake and you want to gain access to that account once again, just make sure you log in to the account within 30 days. If you don't log into your account within the next 30 days, it will be deleted for the good. It'll be permanently gone. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.